Okay, so today our video will be based on how to listen to YouTube whilst your screen is off, and this is possible. But then, if you want to use this YouTube app, that won't work. YouTube app cannot work for you. So by so doing, what we're gonna use is a built-in Android app called Google Chrome. So you will tap on the Google Chrome, and after the Google Chrome is opened for you, what you're going to do is to search for YouTube at the search bar. Search for YouTube. So after you search for YouTube, the next thing is to tap on that three dots at your right top. Okay, and you scroll down and you tap on the desktop site. Okay, it will transform the interface to desktop interface for you. Yes, so after that, we're going to use one video for example. So let's use the first video. Okay,
my job is to make college easier because students have a lot.
I think this is an ad, so let's wait for it. Let's skip it. Okay, okay, let's pause this video and then off the screen. After that, you're going to on the screen. Okay, so we're gonna play it from this side. Yes, and then go off the screen again and see again on it and then off it. You can see that the video is now playing at the background. Again, let's go to the home button and then play it from this side again. You will see that YouTube video is still playing. So this is the trick that you can use to play your YouTube music at the background whilst doing different thing again. Thank you.